Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 2, B is 4, C is 6 and D is 12. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the order of operation or exponent part, so you have to solve that one after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first if you are going left to right. Now move forward to solve the given example. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the parenthesis or you can say the bracket. So first of all, we have to solve this expression. But inside the bracket, we have two terms, two numbers. One is 2 raised to power 2 and other one is 6 which is adding in this 2 raised to power 2. So first of all, we have to solve this 2 raised to power 2 because we cannot add these two numbers. So we will write like 2 plus 20 divided by, and here 2 raised to power 2 means 4 plus 6 multiplied by 2. And here we have to give the reference like 2 raised to power 2, it becomes 4. Now move forward. Now we have to solve we have solved exponent part in this expression. Now we have to solve this bracket, which can be easily solved. Now we will write like 2 plus 20 divided by 10, 4 plus 6 equals to 10. And here we have to give the reference 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Now move forward. Step number 1 and 2 we have solved. Now step number 3 for division and multiplication. So what we have to do here, we have to solve the division and multiplication. So if you are using the PAMDAS, you will say I will multiply these two terms first. And if you are using the BODMAS, you will say that I will divide first this one. So, but according to the standard rule, we have to solve by using like this method. We have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 2 plus 20 divided by 10, which is equals to 2. And multiply by 2, we will write as it is. And here we have given like reference 20 divided by 10 equals to 2. Now we have solved the division. Now again we will follow same step for again we have to see that multiplication and division. So we have here 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 which is equals to 4. So here we will write 4 and here we have to give the reference 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 6. The answer of the given expression is 6. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.